Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, February 19th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. First of all, in math, we've got our units retake on Friday. We also got 20 minutes of MobiVax for the week. In regular math, we've got practice 8.1. Remember, if you did not get your quiz finished, you still have the assignment. You need to go into Google Classroom, wait for the instructions that are there. You need to sit there and follow specifically what Mrs. Caprini has for you. Tomorrow, hopefully with Chapter 7 test, we can go through and finish that during warrior time if need be. In honors math, we've got practice 8.2. In science, we're doing lesson review, page 373. You're doing the entire page. Also in science, if you did not get your flip notes book completed in class today or in warrior time, that is homework. In social studies, there was no homework as we had our Indus Valley quiz today, 10 questions. Hopefully you did very well on that. In language arts, we need to go through and revise, edit, and then resubmit our Watson's Go to Birmingham extended response paragraph that was part of our test yesterday. Please remember, you must have 5 sentences. And in literature and regular literature, we have our Exploring Text Features worksheet that is due tomorrow. Most people were able to get that done in class. In honors literature, you've got your inequality presentation tomorrow, and that was discussed today in class. For Careers in Life with Mrs. Music, there is no homework, but remember, this Friday is the last day of the 12-week grading period, so you need to check on any missing assignments or check with Mrs. Music if you were absent. That's going to be it for this Wednesday. Everyone have a fantastic day.